In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the official connection and let Mailchimp guide you through the rest, so your website and your email marketing work together smoothly. Start on Mailchimp and use the search to look for Wix. This is the quickest way to find the official integration page inside Mailchimp's marketplace or integrations area. When you see the Wix result, click it to open the dedicated page. You'll notice a short description of what the connection does, along with reviews, basic requirements, and the button that starts the linking process. This page is helpful because it sets expectations about what information can flow between your site and your audience in Mailchimp, like contacts and certain events. Next, click Connect Here. That single click launches a guided workflow managed by the platforms, so you don't have to guess what comes next. The connection process is designed to be straightforward. The screens explain what's happening, which accounts are being linked, and how your data will be used. You may see prompts that outline permissions and the general scope of access the integration needs to function. Take a moment to read what's on the screen so you know exactly what you're enabling and why it matters for your marketing. From there, Mailchimp will give you on-screen steps on how to connect it. The guidance usually includes a clear, linear path that highlights any choices you might encounter, such as selecting a Wix site if you manage more than one, reviewing the audience that will receive contacts, and confirming the connection details. The interface is built to be self-explanatory, so the instructions appear right when you need them. If something is unclear, the help links on those pages typically offer concise explanations without sending you off track. Just click Continue and follow the steps provided to connect them. The Continue buttons advance you through each checkpoint until you reach the final confirmation. Along the way, pay attention to any notices about syncing or data flow so you understand what will happen after the connection is complete. When you finish, you'll typically see a confirmation message indicating the integration is active, and you'll be ready to take advantage of features like collecting subscribers from your Wix site into your Mailchimp audience and triggering automations based on visitor activity. That's all. Keep your browser open until you see the success message, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your connected workflow.